See if I can take a short video of my 1931 Model A Ford. Repaired the windshield, which hasn't probably operated in 50 years, to open and close. The whole thing was dropping down. It doesn't have the wood piece up there, so this is the way to get it to work. If you don't have the wood, and the whole thing, when you try to open it, the whole glass and frame just want to fall down. You can't get it back up in position. It's just a mess. Anyway, I did three things. I put a through bolt here, one on each side, not focused here, and one over the other side. And it goes through this little plate up here, if I can show it. See it right here. And had to enlarge the hole a little bit. Second thing is these 5 little screws that hold 2 layers of sheet metal together that run across. That has to be held together. And the main thing, there's some bolts, 8 of them. Can't see it until there they are. You see it right there. And there's another one. And those were too long. They go through the wood. The wood's not there, so the whole thing falls down. The nut is at the end of the long bolt. So anyway, so now it functions. I can do it with one hand here. You see, goes out nice. Nothing falls down, and it'll lock in place. And it'll go to the little detent right there. You can see, or you can just bypass it and close it up. You can do it with one hand, so it works. So that's how I did it. So it's not a restoration, just kind of a refurbishment, but it works. So that's nice to have some ventilation. I do need to do some repair to it here where it was rusted because of the terrible storage, just basically almost outside for about half of the 45 years where it sat. It was my dad's, who had a machine shop. And that's his little decal right here, and he was in the Experimental Aircraft Association, and that's his little sticker right there. And he passed away in 1975, so this car has been dormant since then, which is about 50 years. So now it's drivable again. Okay, that's my little simple tutorial on my pop-out windshield.